We are going to look at how to create a quick fence in Blender like this. So let us create a new file, delete everything, add mesh plane, tab, subdivide, let us make it 10, go to face, poke face, again go to face and tries to quad. And now you have magic. Let us rotate the fence, hit the N key, 90 degrees. Go to modify panel and add wireframe. And you get a fence. And you can follow the other tutorial on how to create grass and finish up the tutorial. So what I did was add some cylinders. Click on 7, move it at the end, hit 1, move it on ground, increase the height, duplicate it. If you want, you can scale it down. Shift D, rotate 90, and Y. Move it down. Okay. And if you want the thickness to be more, you can add thickness. And you can follow the grass tutorial for the glass. Thank you very much.